Stick around for diamond-plated
everyone?
mini bike.
It's 8 in the morning right now. I'm taking this engine off. We're gonna be selling it today. Saying goodbye to the diesel. Oh, I really don't wanna. But got some bigger plans for this. So I ended up selling the diesel engine. My plans are to strip it down and paint it. I'm gonna paint it this color. It's another project I got going on. I'm gonna put this brand new 212 on it. So we'll see. So this is the mess I have in the house right now. Alright, time to start the first coat. I'm gonna call it quits for the night. I got one more coat to do tomorrow. And then after that, I'm gonna put that stuff on it. So this is the finished coat. Alright, fast forward. This is what it looks like. Now all I have left is the torque converter.